Sabay-sabay natin alamin ang mga kaganapan na nangyayari sa ating bansa. Yo, what's up mga kaibigan? This is I2K po again. Ngayon nandito ulit tayo sa channel ni Banat Kapanig TV. Dito ulit tayo magbibigay ng komento at reaksyon. Pero bago ang lahat ng mga yan mga kaibigan, sa lahat ng hindi pa nakasubscribe kay Banat Kapanig TV, mag-subscribe na po tayo at huwag nyo rin pong kalimutan mag-subscribe dito sa aking channel. Simulan na natin mga kaibigan. Let's go!
A prior commitment of equal importance.
Yes, Your Honor, unfortunately.
As a lawyer, you know for a fact that what we are doing here is in aid of legislation. And do you think that the commitment of your client is much more important than the hearing scheduled for today?
We would like to express our sincere apology, Your Honor. However, we consider such other commitment also of very, very important. That
okay. You're a lawyer, just for the record. What is the specific commitment which you are saying right now is of equal importance to the hearing which we are conducting in aid of legislation pursuant to the Constitution?
I was informed by my client, Your Honor, that prior to her receiving the notice, she already committed to visit some of our farmers that would require her to travel to provinces.
Did you ask her who will be the farmers who shall be visited by her and in what place?
I'm sorry, Your Honor, but I have not gone through that in particular.
Okay, you call her this morning and tell her that I am asking her the details of her visit to the farmers and whereabouts, because we don't want to have lame excuses here, especially if the presentation or excuse is being made by a lawyer.
I will, Your Honor. Thank you.
Oh, I'll be giving you 1 hour.
Yes, I will try to reach her now.
No, not right.
Yes, I will. I'm sorry, Your Honor. I will call her now.
Grabe, nag-iilit siya sa Senado eh.
Okay, we'll be calling you after 1 hour.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you, Attorney. Also, in the committee is in receipt of a letter from Ms. Marlene Lamata of Ribson Cold Storage. We have her lawyer with us. Can you please elaborate on the reason why she's not with us today, Attorney? Okay.
Good morning, Your Honors. I'm Attorney Alvin P. Contado. I represent Ms. Marlene Lamata and Ribson Cold Storage. My client received the subpoena only February 23, 2023. The subpoena was served by police officers at his office in Palayan. But even 10 days even before she received the subpoena, she was already out of the country. She visited her daughter, who is working abroad, to celebrate her birthday last February 27.
Okay. Just clarification.
Yes, the Honorable Barzaga.
Your client, is she in Switzerland?
Yes, sir.
Okay. When did she leave the Philippines?
First, she went to Dubai, Your Honor, I believe in February 10. And from Dubai, she went to Switzerland last February 13.
And when did she return to the Philippines?
She will be returning to the country on March 2.
On March 2? But according
commits.
to you, the subpoena was served to her on February 23. You mean to say that she did not receive the subpoena?
She did not personally receive the subpoena, Your Honor. It was received by his staff at his office, Your Honor.
Did her staff or her office inform the policeman that Miss Lamata will not be around because she is abroad?
I am not aware of the response of the staff, but they received the subpoena in behalf of Mrs. Lamata.
Well, at this juncture, Mr. Chairman, I would be requesting the COMSEC to write a letter to the Bureau of Immigration to check the records of travel of Miss Lamata to really find out whether or not when did she
Hindi ko alam tong kaso na itong mga kaibigan kung anong case to. No?
leave, to find out the day when she departed going to Switzerland and up to now whether or not she
Tungkol ata daw to sa sa tauhan na tumakas.
is not present.
Yes, Your Honor, we could even submit supporting documents to this effect.
No,
Your
we'll
Honor.
be getting it from the official agency of the government.
Yes, Your Honor. She commits, Your Honor, to appear on the next hearing once she arrives in the country.
Oh, when will she be arriving in the country as a lawyer?
She will be arriving on March 2.
On March 2.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, we'll find out. Oh, March 2.
Mr. Chair, just to
The Honorable JJ Suarez. Yes, so thank you, attorney, but please remind your client that she will have to personally appear.
Yes, Your
In
Honor.
the next
She
hearing.
commits to appear in all hearings once
We'll
she
hold you
arrives
to
in the
that,
country.
attorney.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very
Thank you
much,
po.
attorney. So attorney, you will be joining us and you could answer a few questions. Can you answer on behalf of Mrs. Marlene Lamata?
Only a few questions because I'm not very much familiar with the operation of the company.
Okay.
If you will be answering on behalf of your client, we shall be placing on record that you will be waiving the client-lawyer confidential relationship.
I'm not inclined to waive that, Your Honors, because my testimony would be hearsay if I answer some matters that
So
were
what will
merely
be
related
your
to me.
answers, more or less?
Well, I can
Because
give,
according to you, you can answer some of the questions. What
I
are the
can,
Grabe, ano, mag-iinit sila, nagsasagutan sila rito.
possible questions
I can give,
which you could answer?
I can give a background, Your Honor, of the Ribson Company.
No, we
Its
know that
operation.
already. We have the articles of incorporation. We have the profit and loss statement. What we want to have would be the actual operations, the storage, what is being stored, who are the clients, etc. Can you answer that?
Not indeed, not Your Honor.
Oh,
We
sorry,
cannot answer
we'll
that.
just be wasting our time if we will be asking you these questions and you'll be answering. Pasensya na. Okay.
But-
So
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. We also have Miss Vilma Pamato of Argo Storage with us. Is she here? Is she present? Ay, ma'am, baka pwede briefly lang.
are they
Miss Vilma, thank you for coming. But I think you owe us an explanation why you have been ignoring
Yes, ay
the
sir,
hearings.
magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Na-receive ko lang din po itong subpoena noong February 22. Pero sir, I want to clarify na hindi na po ako connected sa Argo since 2021 at hindi po ako ang may-ari. Bali, nandito po sila, JP, the owner po ng Argo Cold Storage.
Mr.
Okay,
Chair,
so
Mr. Chair,
yes, the Honorable JJ Suarez.
can you just clarify, ma'am, you mentioned that you do not own
Yes,
anymore.
yes po. No, hindi po ako nagmamay-ari talaga.
So,
Sige.
ano po ang personality ninyo sa
Nung
Argo
past-
Storage?
Pass po. Bali, ako lang po yung nag-cater sa mga depositor namin. As a manager lang po.
So kayo ang nagpapatakbo.
Yes po, for operation po nung since 2012 to 2008, 20. Half of the year of 2021, wala na po ako.
So 18 up to 21.
Yes po.
Tapos ngayon hindi na po kayo.
Wala na po ako.
Sino na po ang may-ari nitong Argo Storage?
Same naman din po si Efren Suleta ang nagmamay-ari.
Okay.
Apo.
Mr. Chair, is the attorney being mentioned by
At ito na
At yun nga po mga kaibigan, dito po nagtatapos ang ating reaction video. Muli, ako po si I2K ng Sundalo ng Dunggalo at 811. Maraming salamat sa patuloy na pagsuporta. Yeah, peace out.